Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT pickup. On the exterior, you'll find heated and power door mirrors, rear step bumper, and available four-wheel drive. Inside the Silverado, we have comfortable cloth seating for 6, push-to-start technology, and HD rear vision camera. The 8-inch LCD display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2019 Chevrolet Silverado has less than 30,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.